Here's our LED glowing color change digital alarm clock. Small, cute and useful gift. It has extra large display with lots of functions, include with calendar and temperature. Tap the clock, activate the LED color change mode, or you can switch the black button here. You think that's all about this clock? Definitely not. With sublimation coated aluminum plates on 3 sides, use your own imagination and talents, you can make it into a unique, personalized alarm clock. Like this one with some inspiring quotes, and this one with photos of family and lovely pets. Let's have a look how we set the battery, calendar, and alarm time. Firstly, we need 3 pieces of 3A batteries. And with the 4 buttons here, we set the calendar and alarm time. Press Set button at once. We enter in the time setting. With up and down arrow, we change the figures and set again. We confirm this time. Press AL button at once. We enter in the alarm time setting. Press Set again. We change the alarm time. Press Set again. We change the length of the ringtone. Now we will set the ringtone at 60 seconds. Press Set again. We will change the ringtone. We have 8 choices. Press Set again. We confirm the setting and then press AL. We back to the time again.